Let's be real. You're tired of being told to wake up at 5 a.m., hustle harder, build a brand, and grind every single day just to make a few bucks online. What if I told you there's a lazier, smarter way to earn money? No coding, no investment, no stress. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the laziest ways to make money online in 2025, perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who just wants to earn without the burnout. Welcome to DollaDrip, where smart earns more. First up, get paid to watch videos. Yup, it's that simple. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Y-Cents pay you to watch trailers, short ads, and sponsored content. It's not life-changing money, but if you're already binging YouTube or Netflix, why not earn a few extra dollars on the side? Some users make around 20 to 50 bucks a month just for watching stuff during downtime. Cuckles. Pro tip, run videos in the background while you scroll TikTok or cook lunch. Second, start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or even touch a camera. Just use tools like ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory or InVideo AI for visuals, and 11 Labs or TTS Reader for voiceovers. You can create videos on quotes, AI tools, study music, fun facts, man motivation. Once uploaded, these videos work for you 24/7, making money through ads, affiliate links, and more. People are making thousands doing this, and all from behind the scenes. Third, get paid for being creative once and earning forever. I'm talking about selling Notion templates, printables, habit trackers, and planners on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. You can make them in Canva in under an hour and upload them to sell on repeat. No packaging, no shipping, just digital downloads. It's one of the best passive income models for lazy hustlers. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer. Just make something useful or aesthetic. Number 4, let AI do freelance work for you. Here's how. Use tools like Durable to build websites, Okoya to write social media captions, or Taplio to make LinkedIn posts. Then offer those services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Reddit. You charge $20, AI does the heavy lifting, and you collect the payment. It's not just lazy, it's efficient. Thoughtful. This is what smart freelancing looks like in 2025. Last but not least, get paid to shop. Sounds too good to be true? Well, cashback apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Upside literally pay you a percentage back on your regular purchases. You buy groceries, order food, or shop online, and boom, money back in your account. Some users earn $200 or more a year without changing their shopping habits. Install the browser extension, shop as usual, and you're done. So, what have we learned? You don't need to work harder to earn more. You just need to work smarter and maybe lazier. From watching videos to using AI to selling digital products, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're low-effort, low-barrier ways to make real income online. Now it's your turn. Try just one of these today and start building your lazy income stream. Drop in the comments which one you'll try first. And if you want more lazy smart money hacks, hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description. This is DollaDrip, smart money for smart slackers. Stay lazy, earn smart, catch you in the next one.